How to change image size in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Canva and open up any image that you want to resize. Suppose I want to resize this one. I will just drag and drop it to the corner, and after that just resize it until the white background is not visible. After that, just move it around and select the frame where you want it to be there, and this is how it will be done. And after that, you can just simply download it, and it will be downloaded according to this image size. And there's one more way, and for that you just have to drag and drop it on this way, and it will be resized accordingly. And in case if you want to change the size of this particular background, then click on this option of resize at the very top, and here you can click on the option of resize and then select the option of custom size. And here you can simply type the size that you want, and after that continue, and this way you would be able to resize it. Make sure that you select it in what measurement you want it, whether the pixels or inches or centimeters, just select it accordingly. And this way you would be able to resize the image on Canva. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.